Go for it.
You go first.
Oh, I'm sorry first. You're laughing.
Sorry. Action. Métier is, in its simplest form, a branding and advertising agency. We really specialize in helping startups grow to be Fortune 500 and Fortune 500 brands be cool like a startup.
In knowing what métier means, it is a unique skill set in French, and we realized quickly that we needed to find individuals who had really different skill sets that could help fuse together to create this new age modern advertising agency.
How do you focus on doing what it is that only you could do better than anyone else, and then bring on and scale the people who do things that you don't really necessarily have that true métier for, and someone else will crush it?
Do we hire from e-commerce or from journalist world, from WWD, or maybe someone comes from brand side, and maybe someone has never worked in anything before and they're straight out of college but know more about social media because that's now a college degree. Business is all about human beings and what their unique métiers are. You're not alone. We're here to help and support each other, and it is all women at the current stage, so we're all very just passionate together, and you really feel it.
The strength of combining métiers is really insane.
If you're not fundamentally doing different things to bring to the yin and the yang, then you're both yinging, and it's like
Or yanging,
and it doesn't really work because you need to be bringing your different skills to the table to create something that's whole. We always say, run your own empire within the empires. Everyone really has that entrepreneurial, who knows where this is going to go spirit. For us, this semi-detached townhouse is really very, very métier. It's home feeling, it's a family vibe, and that's exactly how we run the company. And so we wanted to have a really bright, beautiful, open-esque space that we could all cultivate our creative ideas in. One of our favorite pieces is the very large emerald green sofa in my office because it's become a place that everybody just comes to congregate.
It's so funny how a couch just becomes an amazing escape to just fall into, and then
it only gets better with time as you sit on it.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Because we're in such a cold climate, there should be dark gray walls or a darker color and darker floors, and we're sort of the opposite. We're bring the beach and then our positive vibes will come.
I think our office is that constant thread that feels like a natural extension of our living rooms and our bedrooms and our most comfortable
that's
spaces.
where it all started, was working out of my kitchen. So we're just trying to emulate that and feel like the luck will just follow us. I think choosing this spot, to be honest, was risky in and of itself because it's just so not office-like, but we've experienced having our office in a house before and really loved it. And so it just feels like us, and it feels very natural to us to be in a space like this versus a WeWork that is very corporate, and we're allergic to corporate.
We're allergic.
Corporate activity. Tea. Ooh, both and share.
We go half.
Drake.
It's a tie for me for so many reasons. Ryan Gosling.
Ryan Reynolds. Hands down.
He's Canadian Ryan Gosling.
No, so's Ryan Reynolds.
Oh.
Dogs. Whoa,
Depends on the day.
70% maximalist, 30% minimalist for both of us.
Agreed.